Hi kids! Now we are on page 1 and we are going to use place value to multiply. So we need to find 42 times 2. So take a look at the memo. Step 1, we need to multiply the ones. So 2 times 2 ones equals to 4 ones. So we write down 4 in the 1 place. Step 2, multiply the tens. That is 2 times 4 tens. 2 times 4 tens equals to 8 tens. So we write down 8 in the 10th place. So 42 times 2 equals to 84. Okay, actually we can estimate 42 times 2 equals to 40 because 42 is close to 40. And then 40 times 2 equals to 80. So the answer is close to the estimate. And then we check for the reasonableness. We use the area model to show the partial products. We split 42 into 40 and 2. So 2 times 40 equals to 80. And 2 times 2 equals 4. And then we add them together equal 84. Okay, please turn to page 2. Multiply, check for the reasonableness. Okay, question 1. 22 times 4. First of all, we multiply the ones. So 4 times 2 ones equals to 8 ones, right? So we write 8 in the ones place. And then we multiply tens. So 4 times 2 tens equals to 8 tens. So the answer is 88. And then we check for the reasonableness. We split 22 into 20 and 2. So 22 times 2 equals to 2 times 20 plus 4 times 2, which is 80 plus 8. So equals to 88. So the answer is reasonable. Okay, take a look at question 3, 31 times 2. We multiply the ones first. 2 times 1 equals to 2. So we put 2 in the ones place. And then we multiply the tens. 2 times 3 tens equals to 6 tens. So the answer is 62. And then we check for the reasonableness. So 31 splits into 30 and 1. So 2 times 30 equals to 60. And then 2 times 1 equals 2. So the answer is 62. And then question 5, we multiply the ones first. So 3 times 3 ones equals to 9 ones. And then multiply the tens. 3 times 1 10 equals to 3 tens. So the answer is 39. Okay, we check the answer again. We split 13 into 10 and 3. So 3 times 10 equals to 30. And then 3 times 3 equals to 9. So the answer is 39. Okay, question 2. 13 times 2. So multiply the ones. 2 times 3 ones equals to 6 ones. And then multiply the tens. 2 times 1 10 equals to 2 tens. So the answer is 26. Again, we check the answer. We split 13 into 10 and 3. And then multiply by 2. So 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then add them together equals to 26. Okay, next question. 11 times 4. So multiply the ones. 2 times 1 ones equals to 4 ones. And then 4 times 1 tens equals to 4 tens. So the answer is 44. Okay, check the answer. We split 11 into 10 and 1. And then multiply by 4. So 4 times 10 equals 40. 4 times 1 equals to 4. And then add them together equals to 44. Okay, last question, 41 times 2. Multiply the ones. 2 times 1 1 equals to 2 ones. And then 2 times 4 tenths equals to 8 tenths. So the answer is 82. Okay, check the answer. We split 41 into 40 and 1. And then multiply by 2. So 2 times 40 equals 80. 2 times 1 equals to 2. So 80 plus 2 equals to 82. Okay, now we are on page 3. Sometimes we need to regroup to multiply numbers. So we use base 10 blocks to model and find 17 times 2 and 41 times 3. So first example, 17 times 2. So that means we need 2 17s. So 110 and 7, 110 and 7. First step, we find the ones. So there are 7 ones plus 7 ones. So there are total 14 ones. And we could regroup as 110 and 4 ones. So we write a 4 in the ones place and carry 110 to the tens column. And then we count the number of tens and write in the tens place. So now there are 3 tens because there is a regrouped 1 tenth. So the answer is 34. And then we move on to the next example, 41 times 3. Again, we count the ones and write in the ones place. So now there are 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So we put 3 in the ones place. And then we count the tens. So now there are 12 tens, and we regroup as 102 tens. So we write 2 in the tens place, and we write 1 in the hundred place. So the answer is 123. So remember, sometimes we need to regroup to multiply numbers. Okay, now please turn to page 13. Okay, here at the box, an adult tickets of a field trip costs $18. A child tickets cost $15. Strawberry picking costs $12 per person. So take a look at question 1. The Green family has 2 adults and 3 children. We need to find how much would it cost for the family to go on a field trip. First, we calculate the cost for adults. So each adult costs $18 and 2 adults, that means times 2. So let's calculate the multiplication in columns. So 18 times 2. Okay, we multiply the ones first. 2 times 8 equals to 18. So we regroup as 110 and 6 ones. So we put 6 in the 1 place and carry 110 to the tens column. And then 2 times 110 equals to 2 tenths. And we add the regrouped 10, so the answer is 36. And then we calculate the cost for children. So each children costs $15. So 3 children, that means times 3. 15 times 3. Okay, we multiply the ones first. So 3 times 5 ones equals to 15. So we regroup as 110 and 5 ones. And then 3 times 110 equals to 3 tenths. And then add 1 tenth equals 4 tenths. So the answer is 45. So 15 times 3 equals 45. And then we find the total cost. So for adults, it needs $36, and for children, it needs $45. So add them together. So the answer is 81. Okay, and then question 2. Can the Green family pay for the strawberry picking for $75? Okay, let's calculate the cost together. So there are 5 person, and each person costs $12. So 12 times 5. Okay, 12 times 5. Okay, we multiply the ones first. So 5 times 2 ones equals to 10. So we put 0 in the 1 place and carry 1 10 to the tens column. And then 5 times 1 tenth equals to 5 tenths. And then add the regrouped tens, that means 6 tenths. So 12 times 5 equals to 60. Because it's only just cost $60, so $75 is enough. Okay, question 3. Find the total cost for the Greens family to take the field trip and pay for the strawberry picking. So for tickets, it needs $81, and for strawberry picking, it needs $60. So the total cost will be $81 plus 60. So the answer is yes, 141. Total cost is $141. Okay, now please turn to page 15 and we need to multiply the numbers. Okay, question 1. 85,209 times 5. We'll use the lattice multiplication again. So first of all, we calculate 8 times 5. So 8 times 5 equals to 40, right? So we put 4 in the 10 spot and 0 in the 1 spot. And next we calculate 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 equals to 25. So we put 2 and 5. Next we find 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 equals 10. So 1, 0. And then 0 times 5 equals to 0. So 0, 0. And then 9 times 5 equals to 45. So 4, 5. And then we add the number down the diagonal strip. So this area is 4. And next, so 2 plus 0 equals to 2. And then next, 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 equals to 6. And then next will be 0 plus 0 equals 0. And then next, 4 plus 0 equals to 4. And the final one is 5. So the answer is 426,045. Okay, now we move on to question 2. 32,579 times 7. So we calculate 3 times 7 equals to 21, so 2, 1. And then 2 times 7 equals to 14, so 1, 4. And then 5 times 7 equals to 35, so 3, 5. And then 7 times 7 equals to 49, so 4, 9. And then 9 times 7 equals to 63, so 6, 3. And then we add the number down the diagonal strip. So this area is 2. And the next one is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And then next, 3 plus 4 equals to 7. And then 4 plus 5 equals to 9. And then 6 plus 9 equals to 15, right? So we put regroup as 1, 10, and 5. And then last is 3. Because there is a regrouped 100. So these 100 plus 900 equals to 1000. So we regroup as 1000. So 1000 plus 7000 equals to 8000. So the answer is 228,000 and 53. Okay, so now we move on to next question. Question 3. 70,509 times 8. So we multiply 7 by 8. 7 times 8 equals to 56, so 56. Next, 0 times 8 equals to 0, so 0, 0. Next, 5 times 8 equals to 40, so 4, 0. Next, 0 times 8 equals to 0, so 0, 0. Again, the last one, 9 times 8 equals to 72, so 7, 2. And then we add the number down the diagonal strip. So this area is 5. And then next, 0 plus 0 equals to 0, of course. And then 4 plus 0 equals to 4. And then 0 plus 0 equals to 0. And then 7 plus 0 equals to 7. And the last one is 2. So the answer is 564,072. So for the rest of the question, please try to finish by yourself. Okay, now we move on to page 18. Question 1. 520,525 times 5. Again, we use the lattice multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25, so 2, 5. And then 5 times 2 equals 10, so 1, 0. And then 5 times 0 equals to 0, so 0, 0. And then 5 times 5 equals 25, so 2, 5. 2 times 5 equals 10, so 1, 0. 5 times 5 equals to 25, so 2, 5. And then we add the number down the diagonal strip. So the first one is 2, and the second one is 1 plus 5 equals 6. And then next, 0 plus 0 equals to 0. And then 2 plus 0 equals to 2. And then 1 plus 5 equals to 6. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. And the last one is 5. So the answer is 2,602,625. Okay, so next question, 743,435 times 9. Okay, so 7 times 9 equals 63, so 63. 4 times 9 equals 36, so 36. 3 times 9 equals 27, so 27. And then 4 times 9 equals to 36, so 36. And then 3 times 9 equals to 27, so 27. Then 5 times 9 equals to 45, so 4, 5. And then we add the number down the diagonal strip. So this strip is 6. And then next, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. And then 2 plus 6 equals to 8. And then 3 plus 7 equals to 10. And we need to regroup. and then 2 plus 6 equals to 8. And then 4 plus 7 equals to 11. Again, we need to regroup. And then the last one is 5. So because there is a regroup 100 and a regroup 10,000, so 800 plus 100 equals to 900. And then 80,000 plus 10,000 equals to 90,000. So it becomes 9. And the answer is 6,690,000 and then 915. Okay, next question. 874,575 times 4. Okay, so 8 times 4 equals 32, so 32. 7 times 4 equals 28, so 28. And then 4 times 4 equals 16, so 16. 5 times 4 equals 20, so 20. And then 7 times 4 equals 28, so 28. And then 5 times 4 equals 20, so 20. And then we add the number down the diagonal strip. So the first strip is 3. And next 2 plus 2 equals to 4. And then 1 plus 8 equals to 9. And then 2 plus 6 equals to 8. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. And 2 plus 8 equals to 10. So we need to regroup. And then the last one is 0. And because there is a regroup 100, so 200 plus 100 equals to 300. So the answer is 3,498,300. Okay, so for the rest of the question, please try to finish by yourself.